Welcome to Adiyar Creations YouTube channel. My name is Sanjay and I am working as Operation Officer at Adiyar Creations. In this video, I am introducing a new venture by our company and that we have launched recently and we call it Adiyar Creations Online Store. Our store is a platform filled with 3D printed products for you to order instantly. We offer remarkable 3D printed products that are manufactured by the process of 3D printing. Now, let us get into the store and see how you can order your first 3D printed product and get it delivered to your place. To go to our store, just type adiyarcreationsstore.com and click enter. We have listed different categories, most popular products, and simple steps for you to understand how to order easily on our store. To begin with, register your account by clicking on the register button which is on the top right of the screen. Fill up the details to register. On your profile, you will find a referral code and link. Send the referral code and link to your friends, contacts and groups. Your friends will have to make an account using referral link or by entering the referral code manually when they sign up. When they make their first order using their account, you will earn 50 rupees on your profile as store credit. There is no limit. You can refer as many as you want and start earning credit. First, select a category such as household, gadgets and accessories, keychains, etc. Once you click on a category, you will see various products in it. Click on a product to view its details, photos, and more. After selecting your favorite product, add them to the cart and later check out. Next, you will have to provide your details such as name, contact and delivery address and place the order. Once the order is placed, our team will contact and collect your preferences or customization details such as name, color, picture as per the product. According to the details mentioned, we will customize your products using a 3D designing software. Once the design is finalized, we will 3D print your product. After the 3D printing is done, we will pack it and process it for delivery. A small box of happiness is delivered to you with your favorite 3D printed products in it. So simple for you to get your custom made 3D printed product by following these steps. Get over to Adiyar Creation Store and start ordering. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for innovative videos on 3D printing, 3D scanning, 3D designing, products and more.